welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. As you could see from the title, we'll be working with the lovely Ashimary hair. They always send good quality units and they always ship out good quality units. Right now we'll be working with their 13x6 lace frontal wig unit in water wave. It is 250 density, so she is nice and full, and she's in 22 inches, so you know, super perfect for the fall time and like the hot coldish weather that we're having here in Florida. I'm loving the texture of this water wave unit, and I did a nice and easy glueless install for you guys. This wig does come glueless, so all you have to do is just put the bands in the back, or the clips in the adjustable straps in the little hooks where they're supposed to go to adjust to your head, and you'll be good to go where glueless is concerned. And I just pretty much show you how to do this easy install with the baby hairs and all. So if you'd like to see how I did my hair today, just keep on watching. The links will be in the description box below if you'd like to purchase off rip. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
I know what you want. I can read your mind even from behind. And focus in your phone, let me take you home. I wanna take you home. Cause it's so rare that I'm here. Don't plan on staying too long, so you should come here. Sit your ass on this throne. It's a special affair. Better act like you know who I am. Who I am. Make you feel nice and comfortable. Tryna act nice.
end result of this install. It is 100% glueless, and we are working with Ashimary hair. They went ahead and sent me this 13x6 lace frontal wig unit in 250 density. It is 22 inches and it is their water wave wig unit. I'm living for the texture of this hair, and it's really nice and soft. You can tell that it's on the darker side of the natural 1B color, and I'm loving that because usually sometimes people tend to dye their wigs jet black, and you don't have to do that because it definitely looks as though it is jet black. And the texture is everything like I said. It is really nice and full, so it's definitely living up to that 250 density, and it is super weightless. So if you were thinking that, okay, yeah, I might be super hot in this unit because it says 250 density, that is not the case. I feel like the density is more in the roots or in the middle than the ends, so you'll find that, you know, it's really nice and weightless. And the lace is not HD, but it's really nice and seamless. The blend was perfect. The knots on this unit was really nice and small, so it just gives more of that realistic illusion, which I personally like. And I decided to do a side part today. We're doing a deep side part, not deep down but deep to the back, because it is a 13x6 and it's also living up to that. So if you wanted to do more versatile styles, you definitely can, because this unit can do half up, half downs. You could do cornrows. You could do just so much with this wig unit, and so far so good. It is actually really nice and affordable on their website, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. And I will have discount codes below so you can get more of a bang for your buck, so don't forget to go ahead and check the description box. And if you have any further questions, just feel free to leave them in the comment section. And that is pretty much it for today's video, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.